For centuries, science and spirituality seem to occupy different ends of a spectrum. However, a new bridge is being built between these two worlds, constructed from the groundbreaking discoveries of epigenetics. Epigenetics shows how our behaviors and environment can change our genes, linking our physical and spiritual selves. We are not just controlled by our genes, but can shape our destinies. This field explains how thoughts and emotions influence genetic expression and spiritual growth. Understanding this science helps us cultivate a more fulfilling, spiritually awakened life. At the heart of epigenetics lies the concept of gene expression, the process by which DNA information is translated into functional proteins. While our DNA sequence remains largely fixed, gene expression is dynamic, responding to internal and external cues. Epigenetics studies these changes in gene expression without altering the DNA sequence. Imagine our DNA as a vast library of information, with each gene representing a specific instruction manual. Epigenetic mechanisms act like librarians, determining which genes are actively transcribed into proteins. These mechanisms include DNA methylation, histone modification, and non-coding RNA molecules. DNA methylation can silence a gene, preventing its transcription. Histone modification affects how tightly or loosely DNA is packed, influencing its accessibility for transcription. These mechanisms are sensitive to environmental influences, allowing our genes to respond dynamically to the world around us. The mind-body connection, long explored in spiritual traditions, is gaining scientific validation through epigenetics. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs have a tangible impact on our physical bodies, influencing gene expression. When we experience a thought or emotion, biochemical reactions are triggered within our bodies. Chronic stress can lead to increased DNA methylation of certain genes, potentially increasing susceptibility to illness. Conversely, positive thoughts and emotions can promote resilience and well-being. Practices like meditation and mindfulness can lead to changes in gene expression associated with reduced inflammation and improved stress response. By cultivating positive thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, we can influence our gene expression in ways that support our spiritual growth and health. This understanding empowers us to take responsibility for our well-being, recognizing that our minds actively shape our biological and spiritual reality. Our environment plays a significant role in shaping our gene expression and spiritual development. The air we breathe, the food we eat, and the social connections we cultivate all contribute to our epigenetic landscape. Understanding this impact empowers us to make conscious choices that support our spiritual growth. A diet rich in nutrient-dense foods can provide the building blocks for optimal gene expression, supporting well-being. Supportive relationships and a sense of community can foster positive gene expression, promoting resilience and emotional well-being. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood, contributing to a more fulfilling spiritual life. Our beliefs and perceptions act as powerful filters through which we interpret the world. These filters influence our gene expression, shaping our biological reality. Understanding this power, we can choose perspectives that support growth. Limiting beliefs create negative thoughts, affecting gene expression. Empowering beliefs foster positive gene expression, promoting resilience. Our perceptions of stress shape our epigenetic landscape. Viewing challenges as growth opportunities activates different genes. Focusing on positives and reframing challenges influences gene expression. This empowers us to become architects of our own reality. The principles of epigenetics offer practical tools for cultivating spiritual growth and enhancing well-being. By engaging in practices that promote positive gene expression, we can shape our biological and spiritual reality. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to reduce stress and promote emotional regulation. Regular meditation fosters a deeper connection to our spiritual selves. Cultivating gratitude can shift our focus from lack to abundance, supporting spiritual growth. Physical activity such as yoga or walking in nature can improve mood and reduce stress, supporting our spiritual journey. Nurturing positive social connections promotes a sense of belonging and interconnectedness. These practices remind us that we are part of a larger web of life, supporting our spiritual growth. Numerous real-world examples illustrate the transformative power of epigenetics in supporting spiritual growth. These stories demonstrate that we are active agents in shaping our destinies. By embracing epigenetics, individuals have overcome adversity, healed from trauma, and experienced spiritual awakenings. One example is individuals overcoming chronic illness through lifestyle changes that promote positive gene expression. Another example is healing from emotional trauma through mindfulness, meditation, and therapy. Stories of spiritual awakenings through dedicated practices like meditation and prayer also demonstrate epigenetics' power. These examples offer inspiring evidence of our transformative potential. They remind us that we have the power to shape our destinies by choosing thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that support our growth. The science of epigenetics reminds us that we are active participants in shaping our biological and spiritual reality. We have the power to choose our thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and environments, impacting our gene expression and well-being. Embracing conscious evolution means taking responsibility for our choices and their consequences. It means focusing on positive thoughts, cultivating empowering beliefs, and engaging in practices that support our growth. Conscious evolution involves awareness of our environment and its impact on gene expression. By embracing the power of choice, we can actively participate in our transformation, creating a life of greater purpose and spiritual fulfillment. We can become architects of our destinies, shaping our future in ways that align with our highest potential. The journey of spiritual growth is a journey of self-discovery, uncovering our potential to create a life of greater purpose and fulfillment. Epigenetics provides a framework for understanding how our choices, environment, and beliefs influence our gene expression. By embracing epigenetics, we can cultivate a life that supports our spiritual evolution. We can choose positive thoughts, nurture empowering beliefs, and engage in practices that promote well-being and spiritual awakening. We are active participants in our transformation, shaping our biological and spiritual reality. The journey of self-discovery is a lifelong adventure of learning, growing, and evolving. By embracing the power of choice and epigenetics, we can unlock our full potential and create a life of greater purpose and spiritual fulfillment.